Now, what will happen? The sender send the data to the receiver, and the receiver will send it back to the sender. In in echo check error checking method, I'm repeating, the sender send the data. For example, this data 101.00101 is sent to the receiver, right? And the whatever it received, the receiver send it back to the sender. Now, what happens? The sender compare the two data, whatever it sent to the receiver and whatever it received back from the receiver. If the both set are same, then sender assume that the correct data has been sent. Now, tell me, in this case, whatever I have written here, you can see on the screen, I have changed the last bit. I have changed the last bit. It instead of 1, it I change it to the 0, right? Now receiver get this data, and whatever it received, it sent back to the sender. Now this was, follow my mouse pointer, this was the original data, and this is the data it received back from the receiver. Are these two data same? Are these two set of data same?
No, sir.
Definitely not. You can see that in the last bit has been changed. Now by comparing these two set of data, sender make a decision that here is some error occurred during transmission and one or two bits have been changed. Now what it does after comparing, what it does, if the data is same, then he send the next packet of data, right? But if the data is changed after comparison, then sender receive then the sender send it again, original data it send it again, right? ये क्या करेगा, इसको दोबारा जो है सेंड करेगा, फिर रिसीवर इसको दोबारा भेजेगा सेंडर के पास. फॉर एग्जांपल जब इसने दोबारा इसको भेजा, अब इसको सही बिट रिसीव हुई, तो रिसीवर को तो जो कुछ भी डाटा मिलता है ये वही दोबारा ट्रांसमिट कर देता है, किसको, सेंडर को. अब सेंडर के पास, सेंडर ने अब जो व्हेन इट कंपेयर्स द टू पीस ऑफ डाटा, द ओरिजिनल वन and what it received back from the receiver, they both are the same, then sender is now comfortable that the correct data has been received. In this way, why it is called echo in physics, you know the term echo, and in general speaking, we also know that echo means coming back again, coming back, the voice coming back again. And here the same thing is happening here. Data is sent to the receiver and receiver is sending it back to the sender. This is an echo of the data. That is why it is termed as echo check. That is why it is termed as echo check, right? This is the third error checking method as prescribed in your IGCSE syllabus. Now moving to the fourth and the last error checking method, that is parity check. And in book it is discussed first, parity check, right? The last one, the last error checking method, parity check. Now, if you recall, because some student may recall this, because we have discussed it in the class also, in parity check, what happens? that I'm making a bit structure of a bit, right? This one, and I'm filling it 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 and take for example 0, right? And making it align as center. Yes. Now the leftmost, this every byte consists of 8 bits. The leftmost bit, this is the parity bit. This is the parity bit. And in parity check, there are two types of parity used. Anybody can recall what are the two types of parity? Anybody, please.
Even parity or odd parity.
Shabash. Who said it? Shalam.
Shal.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Even parity and odd parity. And the sender and receiver first decide that which type of parity they will use, which type of parity they will use for communication, for data transmission. For example, it is said that even parity will be used. Then whatever piece of data is sent, every byte must consist of even number of ones, right? Now if even parity is used, can you tell me what will be the value of parity bit if even parity
One.
is 1?
One.
Why it should be 1?
क्योंकि सर वन को इवन करना है अभी 3 है
Abhi 3 hai. You can see on the screen there are 3 ones, and to make it even we have to put a 1 here. So the parity bit will have the value 1, right? And take another example. For example, it has been said that I'm changing the value, right? 1 and say 1, right? Or and take for example this is 0. Now any other student can tell me what will be the value of parity bit if odd parity is set. If odd parity is used, 0 will be there.
So one,
वन
one.
वन सर
1, because 4 ones are there and they should be odd, so that means we have to add a 1. And if I say that now if I say acha, now this, for example, this question is given and I ask you what will be the even parity is used, even parity is set, describe the value of parity bit. What will be your answer? What will be your
0
answer?
1 0 1
Oh शाबाश, जवाब नासिर ने क्या जवाब दिए? 0 भी और 1 भी हो. Very good.
मतलब सर दो बॉक्स है ना तो 0 आएगा
No,
और 1 आएगा ना तब जाके
the left, listen what I said earlier, that the leftmost bit, this is the parity bit, and I'm asking you the value in the parity bit.
1
How can you say 1?
1 आएगा सर फर्स्ट बॉक्स में
Is it right? Yes, remaining you Shalam and
सर इसके आगे भी तो फर्स्ट बॉक्स के आगे भी तो एक बॉक्स खाली है उसको तो फिल करें पहले
वो 0 होगा ना
नहीं, कैसे कह रहे हैं 0 होगा भाई? आपको क्या
सर इवन पैरिटी होगी ना तो
नहीं, आपका आंसर इस सूरत में ये होगा, द क्वेश्चन इज एम्बिगुअस, द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट क्लियर, बिकॉज यू आर सपोज टू गिव द वैल्यू ऑफ ओनली पैरिटी बिट. जब तक आपको ये वाला जो फोर्थ बिट है इसकी वैल्यू नहीं पता, how can you decide about the parity bit? So you
यस सर
will write the question is not clear, the fourth bit is empty. That is why we cannot decide the parity bit, चाहे even parity हो चाहे odd parity हो. Now you got my point? Okay, fine. Now for example, now odd parity is used. Ehsan Adnan, odd parity is used, what is the value of parity bit? If odd parity is used, hurry up. Ahsan Adnan.
1, sir.
1.
1. Fine. I hope you all are comfortable with the even and odd parity. Either sometimes even parity is given, sometimes odd parity is given. And अच्छा, वन अदर वे देखें, मैंने आपको बताया था एक तरह का तो ये होता है कि इवन या ऑड पैरिटी बताते हैं एंड देन दे आस्क यू द वैल्यू ऑफ पैरिटी बिट, कि बताएं पैरिटी बिट 0 है या 1 है. एक तो ये होता है जो अभी आपसे पूछ रहा था. सेकंड वे इज दैट they say you that odd parity is used. They say that odd parity is used. Tell whether there is a transmission error or not. तो अब बताएं आप क्या लिखेंगे?
No.
They say that odd parity is used here and justify whether there is transmission error, data is transmitted correctly or not.
Correctly.
Correctly. अब इसी तरह से अगर इसको मैं चेंज कर दूं, फॉर एग्जांपल 0 और here I write 0, what will you answer?
Wrong.
Correct.
Correct.
Oh, correct.
Correct, na?
Correct.
Because odd parity is used and you can see 3 ones are there. And for example, if they say even parity, right? Even parity is used, right? Even parity is used and they give the same no, not the same data. Now what will you write?
Correct.
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 Correct. Okay. And in this case 1 and 1, what will you write?
Wrong.
Wrong. और उसको फिर रेक्टिफाई कैसे कर, ये हो गया रेक्टिफाई द एरर, तो इसमें क्या कर देंगे? सिंपल, बहुत सिंपल है. यस भाई, जिसके बैकग्राउंड में शोर हो रहा है प्लीज वो अपना माइक अनम्यूट कर दे. आप लोग के बड़े स्टूडेंट्स की क्लास है इसलिए मैंने सबको म्यूट ऑल नहीं किया है. अगर किसी के घर में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, बच्चे शोर कर रहे हैं, तो वो खुद अपना माइक अनम्यूट कर दे. ओके फाइन. तो अब इसमें आप इसको रेक्टिफाई कैसे करेंगे? वेरी सिंपल. बताएं भाई, रेक्टिफाई कैसे करेंगे? आप कह रहे हैं ना ये रॉन्ग है या करेक्ट है?
Wrong है सर.
तो क्या करेंगे? इसका सही आंसर क्या लिखेंगे?
सर वो जो फर्स्ट ब्लॉक है ना उसको 0 कर देंगे.
हाँ, फर्स्ट बिट को द पैरिटी बिट शुड बी 0, बाकी सबको वैसे ही रहने देंगे. फाइन. सो दिस वाज द पैरिटी चेक इन केस ऑफ बाइट, बट द पैरिटी check is also in case of block of data. Do you remember? Parity check can be given as the block of data. It is given on page number 19. It is given on page number 19, and it is something like this, like 7, 8, and 8. Right? Right. Now, this type of data is given, and there is a row number. There, the horizontal lines, you know that they are called rows. The vertical lines, they are called column. Okay. So what will happen that you will find, for example, it is said that even parity will be used, right? And the data is given as 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1
वीडियो बंद करो.
1 0, right? And because the time is short and the meeting is ending, I'm just copying it, right? And all the Yes. Okay, we'll continue in the next class, but I'm telling you the main thing is that you, if the even parity is used in case of block of data, then every row should have even number of ones. Every row should have even number of ones, and every column must have even number of ones, right? And if there is a error in data transmission, there will be a row and column where you will find odd number of ones in column and odd number of rows in one. So you will point out that row and that column. For example, you will point out row number, column number 5, row number 4. So you will say that byte number 4, bit number 5 is in error. Byte number 4, bit number 5 is in error. So this is the block parity block method. Because we are running short of time, inshallah we will discuss in the next class. Zohaib, please reply me. Zohaib,
जी सर.
just send me the snapshot as you did last time. Okay, take the snap.
Okay sir.
And any query from you, all the students? And one more thing, बेटा आज असाइनमेंट सबमिशन का लास्ट डे है. आज के बाद आप लोग क्या, आपने ग्रेड 10 आपका पूरी की पूरी क्लास का सिवाय चंद एक स्टूडेंट हैं जिन्होंने असाइनमेंट सबमिट कराए हैं. बाकी
सर
सब
कौन सा वाला असाइनमेंट?
गूगल क्लासरूम में जो असाइनमेंट्स हैं, गूगल क्लासरूम में.
ठीक ठीक.
आप लोग तो बाद में ज्वाइन हुए थे, लेकिन जो पहले से कर रहे थे उन्होंने भी नहीं किया है. तो उस असाइनमेंट को देखें और उसको सबमिट कराएं, वरना फिर आप लोग के जो 40 मार्क्स में से होगा उसका नंबर डिडक्ट होंगे. तो इसको जो है इंश्योर करें कि आप लोग असाइन. कोई ऐसा स्टूडेंट है, मैं आई कैन शो यू द गूगल क्लासरूम, स्टेटस ऑफ योर गूगल क्लासरूम, राइट? Let me show you the Google Classroom of, hold on. Okay, fine. Okay, meeting will be ended automatically in a minute. So I am just telling you to complete your assignment and submit it. Anyone who has done all the assignment, Jawad Nasir, Hasnain Arshad, any one of you? Mohammad Faisal, you have not submitted assignment at all, right? Zuhaib, same is the case with you. Sufyan Hashmi, right? So do it at earliest. Zuhaib, have you sent the
सर अपनी
snap?
गूगल क्लासरूम का. जी सर गूगल क्लासरूम का कोड दे दें सर.
आप
मेरा
जो
मन में
मुझे
join.
आपने जो स्नैप मुझे भेजा है, मैं उसी पे रिप्लाई कर दूंगा. ठीक है?
ठीक है सर, भेज दिया मैंने. स्नैप भेज दिया.
ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज. अल्लाह हाफिज यू ऑल.
अल्लाह.